My name's Kieran Garvey and this is my mobile apps assignment 2. I created a game to record rugby scores in Jetpack Compose with Kotlin. Basically I have a logon system with sign up with Google, and it shows you to register and log in as the demo. Let me sign up here. You register, it logs you in and it shows you the game results, but there's no actual games there. On the profile section I put in a temporary image where you can actually change images using Coil, and that loads up into Firebase. So if I log out and log back in again, it will change back. So I'll log in again. And the profile image should be the same. To add a game, you press plus game. I have scoreboard here and score types and the home team and the away team. Let me just enter a team. And give them some scores. And you press save game. Now I didn't have time, but what I would have liked to done is redirect to the results when I press save game, or clear out all the game results. But if I go into results, that game should be saved in here, and I added in the image of the user who added the game. Now I did want to add in a toggle button so it shows all games or just the user game, but I didn't have time. So basically on the scorecard here, I have the two teams when the game was created, the score, which is the home, which is the away team. Then I have the score types all broken down once you expand it. Then in show more again, it brings up the game details again, which tells you the game date and all the things you can change. If you change the scores and update game, it updates it. And if you go back to the results again, and expand it, you have an update time down here, which is actually different than the game date. Then you can actually delete the game as well. And just to show you a different logged in user, let me log in sign in with Google. And there should be a few games already created in here, just to show you can swipe up and down. And then on the map, all the games actually get pinned on the map. As you can see, we have the Wexford Wanderers game, where it gives you the score and who did it. We have the Tramore versus Clonmel, and we have the Water Park versus Waterford City. I actually enjoyed doing this assignment in the end, but I did struggle at the start when I tried starting it. For about 3 or 4 weeks, several times I sat down to try convert the Lab 5, I think it was, from Donation X into RugbyScore, but I just couldn't get through it, Dave. I started back at the very first lab and went through each lab all the way up to there, creating my own rugby game as kind of like the Donation X, with the plan to convert the model once I got near the end. then I got back to this Lab 5, and I had to figure out how to convert it properly. I honestly used Cody to help me convert it. I tried doing what I did all before, and I was up to a point, and I just used Cody as I was asking to suggest what I need to change, and I found the one thing that I needed to change, and moved on from there. So I actually have two GitHub repos really. One was where I built it from scratch all the way up to that level, and then I moved on to this when I converted the lab itself. Okay, bye bye.